Jewel tones are back in all of their rich, deep colors. And we're enjoying those in a design today in the Mirage container. And we're going to incorporate the deep amethyst, the gold, the peacock, and the red in anemones, and accent with some berries, a little bit of foliage, and the olive branch. We're going to make a really large, grand arrangement to go with the jewel tones. It might not be what you were thinking of when I said a grand arrangement, but it's a little bit more modern twist to that beautiful jewel tones. As you can see, we have some nice strong lines in here with our focal being the container itself. You want to make sure that you don't take away from the beauty of the rim of the container, and then just do your pop of color in there. So enjoy the jewel tone colors.